Hey guys, today I'm here with the RedRock 4x4 Old Glory mesh grill insert fitting all 2007 to 2018 JK Wranglers. So this is obviously going to be a mod for the JK owner looking to show off their patriotism while also gaining a couple extra benefits. So this will mostly be an aesthetic mod, however the durable material will protect the fins on your radiator, your AC condenser, your transcooler, or really anything else that you have bolted up behind your grill. At the moment, this is going to be roughly $80 and will be your most affordable option on the site for a flag mesh grill insert. There are other options on the page that will be a little bit more expensive, but that will just come down to the manufacturing process as well as the UV treatment. Nonetheless, this will stand up and get the job done while saving you a couple extra bucks in the long run. This will also have a 3-year limited warranty to keep a peace of mind. So install is going to be a very easy 1 out of 3 wrenches, taking you roughly 5 to 10 minutes with one hand tool. So speaking of the install, let's jump into that now.
The tool that we use for our install is a flathead screwdriver.
So the first step to our install is popping our hood and popping off our grill, which will be 6 pop clips. So like I said, there will be 6 pop clips holding in the top of the grill. I'm going to use a flathead screwdriver to remove them. Just if you are using a flathead screwdriver, just be careful of the paint on your grill. You can also use a trim removal tool. So after all of your pop clips are out, all you have to do is tug on the retainer clips and your grill will come off. You don't even need to fully take it away, you can just bend it forward and we can install our mesh insert that way. So our mesh insert is going to be made of a durable aluminum material with a paint covering it. Obviously it's very patriotic, but that paint will prevent any rusting or corrosion actually on the metal. So with this mounted up behind the grill, this will protect your cooling system and whatever you have installed behind your grill from any rocks or debris kicking up on the street or even on the trail. I would like to mention also that this is perforated, so it's not going to interfere with your cooling system and you're still going to get complete airflow. So this is held in just by pressure. So all you have to do is insert it and wedge it behind the grill. And you'll be able to adjust it once it's in there. So it will just pop into place. Just adjust it to make sure that it's covering all of your inserts, and then we can pop our grill back on. So once all of the retainer clips are lined up and they're inserted in your radiator support, we can reinstall our 6 pop clips. So our last step is just to close the hood. So that's going to wrap it up for my very short review and install. If you have a 2007 to 2018 JK Wrangler, and if you're looking for a patriotic way to spice up the front end, you can check out the RedRock 4x4 Old Glory mesh grill insert right here at ExtremeTerrain.com.